Hi student, I am Asit Tiwari and today in the 10th class political science in the political party lesson, this is our next lecture and today we will discuss the function of political party. So student, you remember in the first the definition which I have written on the first day that a group of people with the same opinion who come together. Why they come together? To contest election, and after contesting the election they prove the majority, and when they prove the majority, so they offered to form the government, and when they form the government, so they run the country government and they do many of the other functions. So let's we see in the first very important function of the political party are contest the election. In America, the candidate, the member of the same party choose their leaders. In India, where the leaders also of the party choosing the head of the party, and they also become the prime minister of the country, leader of the country. Because contesting the election in the democracy is very important task. Even sometime it is called the elections are in the democracies are known as the democratic festivals, which are very important part in the democracy, because these elections they crystallize the process of choosing the person in the party, because party always search or seek the good or value character members or the candidate, because these are the backbone of the any party's success. So elections are very important and they should be updated everywhere in the country. Means if the elections are not crystallized or not checked by the election commission or the any government machineries, then they are not updated, and many of the drawbacks which we have adopted from the last years will be continued in future, and it will impact on the democratic principal democratic features in the country. Next, the function put forward different policies and programs, because when the party which become the a group which prove the majority, and that also form the government also, so they put forward different policies and program, because many kind of these policies and program which are only forward by the political parties, because there is a access of the party as a government, and they can forward this all type of the policies among the people of the country, among the citizen, and these policies and program where the people are benefited, and many of the other program of the government which are helped for the people as a elimination of the poverty, elimination of the many kind of the problems of the people of the country. Next one is making laws, because when political party which has been chosen, so it has a very important task to making the laws, because laws which are the backbone of the success of any party's government, because these laws are the kind of sometime enforcement over the criminal type of the person, so that to maintain the good will say system of the country. Next one is that the forms and run the government. When the government is formed and runs the country's government, so how it is formed? When the choosing party, when the elected party, when it proves the majority, so they choose some will say candidate as a ministers, and there are three type of the ministers, the cabinet minister and the two other type of the ministers, and these ministers are the part of portfolio of the leader of the country, and he will say direct all these members to run the country's government, so that many of the will say department portfolio of that department has been will say categorized. And next one is that the role of the opposition party, that is very very important part of the democratic system, because opposition party that critics the ruling party. And what is the benefit of this critics of the opposition party? To will say control the bad policies of the government, and even sometime to encourage for the good work, and to you will say discourage for the wrong work. Because if the opposition party is very important, will say powerful, then it can control the ruling party. In our country you have seen that opposition party which is not working well, because what is the procedure for the opposition party, strong opposition party? If it secure more than 10% seat in the elections, and Congress party which does not secure more seat in the election. Last election it has only the 45, and this election there are above the 50 seats. So this is not a good things. Means a good democratic country has a good strong opposition party, so that it can show the way to the government on the right way. Next one, shape the public opinion, because when the government is there in the country, so it has main work to shape the public opinion. Shape the public opinion where the people who know very well that what are their type of the task, what are their objectives, and these opinions has been shaped by the political parties in the forms of pressure groups, in the forms of sometime movement which are organized by the government, many of the seminars which has been organized, and many of the other will say functions of the parties which shape the public opinion. Because when the public their opinion are not cleared in the country, then obviously the party cannot work well in the country, because people's opinion must be, they will say, upgraded in the country, and it must be crystallized among the political parties. Next one, access to the government machinery and welfare scheme, because when the political parties are there in the country, so this is very suitable for the people, then they can maintain their access toward the government machinery, and they can also approaches to the government schemes also. Because the person who have I will say elected the political parties as a government, so he can also control the political parties, because he know very well if the party has not worked well as a government, they can refuse the same party and they can elect the another party. So this is the kind of pressure over the party. So student, I hope you are getting well all these lectures to understand well the lesson. Thank you for listening this video.